The Datamate micro DPU builds on a pedigree of over 20 years of experience gained with high-speed communications over copper cable infrastructure.
In these times when bandwidth is critical for everyone with working at home, teaching their children at school, the DPU is a great tool that is very effective in providing that to multiple users and is very cost effective and a less intrusive way of getting that broadband to those users.
So here at Datamate, we're focused on solutions, and the micro DPU is a solution to a specific set of problems that was presented to us by a North American Tier 1 telco. Broadband service providers prefer to use fiber to the home to deliver their services, but when they can't do that, for whatever reason, the micro DPU is a complementing solution that allows them to repurpose existing copper infrastructure, could be phone line, could be coax, and it allows them to seamlessly deliver their services at fiber-like speeds. So the micro DPU is a small demarcation unit that resides at the edge of a passive optical network, a PON, and migrates to a wired network for the delivery of broadband services, up to 1 gigabit, in fact, over existing phone line. So the micro DPU has several features that are noteworthy. The micro DPU is flexible with respect to powering. It can either be locally powered from a wall outlet, or it can be reverse power fed from the customer residence. The micro DPU is scalable, which is to say that broadband service providers are able to deploy what they need when they need to, and they can add to that deployment as new customers take up service. This allows broadband service operators the benefit of pay as you grow, pay as you scale, rather than having to invest a lot of capital upfront with no guarantee necessarily that customers will take up their service. The micro DPU allows a pay as you scale model.
The micro DPU is a low impact deployment. You're not going to have someone coming into your home, adding more cables to the existing mess that you have, and you can be up and running within minutes.
At the heart of the micro DPU is a powerful embedded processor capable of running the most demanding management software. It is run on a mainline distribution of OpenWRT. This is important to the operators because there is no proprietary software involved. Everything is open sourced. In that sense, you can think of the micro DPU as a white box, which allows the unit to be very flexible for broadband service operators. The micro DPU is modular in various aspects of its architecture, and it allows the operators to change the module plugged into the uplink, or they can change the module plugged into the downlink by virtue of the hardware architecture, which is based on SFP modules, small form factor pluggable modules, which is to say that you can very easily unplug and replug different modules for different speeds, different cable types, different media types, but the host interface is always the same. And so with that common host interface, you can swap out a module and plug something different in. You can migrate between copper and fiber because the host interface always stays the same, but it's what they call a media interface that can change. So within fiber, there are different fiber types. You can change the SFP module to accommodate different fiber types. For copper, there is cat cable, there is phone line, there is coax. All you need to do is find the right SFP module for the media that you're connecting to, and you just plug and go. Everything works. Another feature of the micro DPU is that when needed, it can be configured as an unmanaged fiber link extender. It supports MaxLinear's Vector Boost software. This is software that resides in the cloud and is used to mitigate crosstalk. Because of the micro DPU's flexibility, it can be used in a broad range of deployment scenarios and has appeal to everyone from the single building owner all the way up to a Tier 1 telco. The design incorporates lightning surge protection circuitry, thus making the product intrinsically safe. So the micro DPU has its architecture origins here in North America. It was developed in conjunction with a Tier 1 North American telco, and the micro DPU is made right here in Chicago. So while the micro DPU is architected to be flexible, if you do require the architecture to be changed, by all means contact us. Here at Datamate, we are solutions oriented and we take great pride in our world-class customer service.
Hopefully you found the presentation helpful. If you'd like more information about our micro DPU, please contact us at the number below or the website.